Ever wondered how to navigate the financial maze that is life? Welcome to Financial Fitness 101, and in the following series, we're going to unravel the mystery of financial literacy. Financial literacy is essentially your money's instruction manual. It's understanding how money works and how to make it work for you. It's the compass guiding you through life's financial journey. So why does financial literacy matter? Picture a roadmap. Having one makes reaching your destination a whole lot easier, right? Financial literacy is that roadmap, but for your financial aspirations, without financial literacy, it's easy to stumble into financial pitfalls. Life can become a cycle of living paycheck to paycheck, wrestling with debt, and grappling with financial insecurity. It's a cocktail of stress and missed opportunities. Now for the silver lining, enhancing financial literacy is within everyone's reach. That's where this series comes in. We aim to equip you with the knowledge and tools necessary to command your financial life. You might be wondering what's on the agenda for this series. Well, we have a smorgasbord of financial insights waiting for you. Here's a taste of the topics we'll delve into: the nuts and bolts of budgeting, demystifying income, a deep dive into debt management, the art of saving and investing, the ins and outs of retirement planning, unraveling insurance and risk management, decoding credit and credit scores, prioritizing financial goals, how to sidestep financial pitfalls, the secrets to building wealth. Whether you're a financial novice or looking to polish your money management skills, there's a wealth of knowledge waiting for you. We're with you every step of the way. In each episode, we'll simplify these topics, offering practical tips that you can implement immediately. So buckle up for this series, and together we'll empower you to take the reins of your finances, paving the way for a brighter, more secure future. Thank you for joining us for this introduction to Financial Fitness 101. In the next episode, we're going to dissect the basics of budgeting, a cornerstone of financial literacy. You won't want to miss it, so remember to hit that subscribe button and like this video and share it while you're at it. And remember, financial fitness is just a hop, skip, and a jump away.